Hey there mga my loves Gemini, thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading ninyo, reminders na hindi po ito para sa lahat, kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading might be for you. And syempre wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin. And let's see ano bang meron dito for you, Gemini. Gemini, parang meron kayong bagong itatry. Okay, pero parang excited kayo pero parang alalay lang. Ganyan. So, hindi ko alam kung extreme activities ba yung itatry nyo, no, na parang excited kayo pero kinakabahan na rin kayo at the same time. So, yung iba pwedeng outdoor activities yan, no? May pagtulay ba sa alambre dyan? Bungee jumping, yung mga ganyan. Meron kayong itatry rito na excited kayo pero parang natatakot rin kayo at the same time. Yan. So, pwedeng mga new activities yan. Okay. Sa iba naman mga babes, no, pwedeng meron kayong something exciting, no, na nakita, natagpuan, no, na-discover rito. Pwedeng love life yan, pwedeng taon, no, pakikipag-friends or pakikipag-mingle dito, no. Nakikita ko dito, excited kayo, pero alalay lang. So, new things yan, new connection, yun na nakikita ko dito. Yung iba, pwedeng bagong trabaho yan, no. As in, iniingatan ninyo, ganun. Excited kayo, pero at the same time, no, parang hindi nyo masyadong pinapa-obvious. A lot of passion, a lot of excitement. Pwedeng trabaho, love life, pakikipag-friends, yan. Or yung iba, trying new activities, new things, ganun. So, let's see. Oh. Oh. Okay. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na parang nagkakaroon kayo rito ng parang pagbukas, no, ng inyong inner knowing or deep knowing, no, about kung ano nangyayari sa buhay. Parang ngayon, nagkakaroon kayo ng mas naiintindihan nyo yung life, ganun. Or kung paano ba talaga makipagsabayan or mabuhay, no, dito sa earth. Parang kayo to, no, na pwedeng, dati kasi hindi nyo alam yung tungkol sa universe, no, alam nyo lang yan, ganyan, pero hindi nyo alam yung mga tungkol sa angel numbers, yung spirits and angel guides, na nag-exist sila, yung mga ganyan. So, palawak ng palawak yung inner knowing mo, at dahil dyan, nagkakaroon ka rito, no, ng vision sa buhay mo, no, na parang with this 9 of Cups energy, 2 of Wands energy, no, it's a clarity right here, no. The universe actually is instilling that knowledge in you, no. Talagang pinaiintindi nila sa'yo rito, no, na may kakayahan ka, ibig sabihin nito, may kakayahan kang makuha ang lahat ng mga hinahangad or dinidesire mo. Walang salitang imposible, Gemini, kundi lahat posible. The universe is telling you that you can have it all. Okay? Whatever it is that you're wishing, whatever it is that you're desiring, you can have that. 101%. Yan, yung natutuklasan mo sa buhay, no? Yan yung wisdom or yan yung wonders na natutuklasan mo. See? You can have it all. Whatever it is that you want. Money, fame, abundance, prosperity, success, it's all here. Healing, whatever it is that you're wishing for. You can grab it with your hand. Yan, no? Nakita natin dito. Okay, so I can see a lot of fast movements for you guys are coming from you because of this clarity, because of this truth, because of this revelation that the universe will show you, or binigyan kayo ng mga mensahe dito ni universe, no, na ganito kasi kung paano mabuhay. And then lahat to, no, lahat ng pagsa-struggle mo, no, alam mo, no, na isa lang itong basura sa 3D world. And it's true. Kasi, whatever it is that it is in your 3D world, ito, totoo, kung sa inyo ko naririnig, talaga nag-uusap-usap, no, yung buhay ninyo, itong mundo natin ngayon, 3D world yan. Basura ito kasi ito, mga babes, no, ang naging outcome ng buhay ninyo nung hindi nyo pa naiintindihan, no, ang salitang life at ang salitang manifestation in everything related connected to it. But now it's changing. Your world is changing. Okay? Your world is shifting into positive right here. So whatever the case may be, no, kaya mong baguhin, in short, ang mundo mo, ang buhay mo, yung struggle mo right now, kaya mong palayasin yan, I mean, sa life mo. And I can see that you need to make movements right here, and that is what you will do because you have this new perspective, new perception, new perception, new perception, and new understanding. Okay? It already comes to light. So whatever the case may be, I can see you here manifesting all of your dreams here. It's like you're pulling your dreams and desires towards you and receiving it with both hands. Okay? So nakita ko ito. So I can see that because of that, people here will be so attracted to you. Kasi tumataas yung energy mo. Pag tumataas yung inner knowing mo, tumataas yung higher intuition mo, tumataas rin dito ang iyong aura, ang iyong vibration, no? Kaya you're attracting as well people into your lives. And I can see here different connections that's gonna enter your world right here, okay? And I'm picking up that these are all young vibe energy. So, pwedeng they're not really young by age, pero pwedeng ganun para sa iba. Pwedeng mas younger ito sa inyo, but doesn't have to be. But this is someone here who gives out that young vibe of energy, very enthusiastic, very energetic. These people here will give some kind of an excitement or will add some kind of twist in a positive way sa buhay mo. So I can see that these people right here will share some kind of good news because they're gonna benefit. Okay? You're gonna benefit, I must say, okay, sa kanila. Kasi these are the people that will help you in moving forward, in achieving your dreams and goals in life. These people could be the people, baka sa kanila manggaling yung mga oportunidad, no? Baka sa kanila mo marinig ang mga oportunidad, no, na naghihintay for you. Baka sila na yung messenger na ipinadala ni universe dito, no? This is, mga babes, no, an alliance right here and not a villain in your story. These are the people who's gonna contribute in your success. And who knows? Someone here is passionate here. Pwedeng magbago yung isip nitong isa to. May mga taong papasok sa buhay mo upang tulungan ka na umasenso. At maaaring isa rito ay pwedeng ma-develop ang feelings sa'yo. Yan. 'Di ba? Tinulungan ka na niya, titulungan ka pa niya sa love life mo. No? So, nakikita ko dito, no, na itong tao na to ay maaaring high chance ma-fall in love sa'yo. So, nakikita ko rito, napakaganda ng future na nakikita mo for yourself, no? Ngayon kasi na nagsisimula ka ng mangarap ulit, no? Iintindihan mo na kasi yung buhay. Ganito kasi yung mga babes, naiintindihan mo na ganito. Pag nagmukmuk ka, ma-attract mo rin puro pagmumukmuk. Kapag ka nag-isip ka ng negative, ma-attract mo rin puro negative. Pag natakot ka, anong ma-attract mo? Diba? Natatakot din. So, ibig sabihin, you have here to feel happy. You have here to feel positivity. You have to speak also positive things for you to attract positive din. You do have to think opposite. Kasi nakikita ko ngayon, you're thinking of negative things. Lahat na lang ng mga bagay dito sa earth, no, na parang, ayoko na mabuhay sa earth. Ano ba ito, napakasalbahe ng mundo. Inikita ko sa'yo rito. Okay? And I'm picking up that you can change that. You need to help yourself think the opposite. Okay? Maybe you're struggling now, pero gusto mo ba laging ganyan? Kasi every time na nagagalit ka, naiinip, no? At iniisip mo na ikaw ay laging bigo. Eh di ganun yung lagi mangyayari dito sa'yo, mahal. Diba? So you need to change that mindset. Diba? Nagsastruggle ako ngayon, pero bukas sisikat ang mga pala, ganyan, no? Or babangon dito. Yan, no? Sino babangon? Sisikat ang mga araw for me. Yan, no? Bukas, giginhawa ang life. Yan, ganun ka. Mga babes, no? Hindi pwede rito nagmagmukmuk ka lang walang gawin. You have to take action. These are taking actions here. Okay? Fast movements here. You need to take action for this change that you want for yourself. Okay? Kasi hindi pwedeng ganun. No? Umiiyak ka ngayon, tapos iniisip mo walang katapusan. Eh di wala talaga magiging katapusan dyan. Wala talagang ending dyan sa pag-iyak mo at paghihirap mo. No? Kung yun yung iisipin mo. No? You have to create here a change. Walang ibang magpo-pull up sa'yo kundi ang sarili mo. Yan, no? Ang maganda rito, nakikita kitang talagang na-push mo yung sarili mo rito, no? Na matikman yung buhay na talagang para sa'yo. Kasi yan, no? Hanged Man, and there's this Three of Wands energy. I can see you here, looking up at the brighter future mo. Sa'yo yun, diba? So, for you to be able to experience that, you need to change your mindset right here, honey. No matter how pangit yung nararamdaman mo, kailangan mong tulungan yung sarili mo. Walang ibang tutulong rito, unang-una sa sarili natin, kundi tayo din. Okay? Simulan mo, no, mga babes, no, at makikita mo yung mga bagay na pinagsasabi ko rito, pinagkukukuda ako, okay? Kasi opportunities is already, okay? I mean, are already around you. Okay? They're surrounding you, napapaligiran ka na nila. Okay? So, you need to, okay, be aware of all of those things. Okay? Your angels and spirit guides, okay? God will not let you stay there. But you need to be awakened here. No? Makinig ka sa kanila. Okay? Mag-pay attention ka sa mga nakikita mo. Because they're already sending you help and solution right here. So, thank you so much, Gemini. Sarang love and life. Annyeong.